Hey everyone, welcome to Manny Maker. Your Silhouette Cameo is ready for a DIY project, then it's starting acting up. Maybe it's not cutting right, the blade carriage is grinding, or the machine just won't cooperate. No worries, it happens. If your Cameo is having a digital tantrum, a reset will often fix it and get your cuts back on track. I'll walk you through the easiest step-by-step reset to give your Cameo a fresh start. So let's dive in. Ensure your Silhouette Cameo is completely powered off and unplugged. With the machine off, take hold of the blade carriage and gently push it to the right. Move the carriage back to its original position. Then repeat this back and forth motion 2 or more times. Note: be sure the carriage rests in its original position when finished. Plug in your Cameo machine and then press the power button to switch it on. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.